start it all again. No worries. Mm. Okay, let the people come. Hi, 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 hello everyone. Yes, hello. Let the people come. That's better. Better. Yes, getting the audio. My mom told me. Great. Okay, so how this works? Just a second. All messages. Yep. Yes. What's this? Hmm. Hello, hello everyone. Still no sound? Yep. Hi, hi. Okay, so just a second. Yep. Okay. Sorry for the glitch. Okay, so let's start it all again. Hello everyone. Welcome to the month of August, and it's 1st August, the Sunday of the August month, and here we are with the Friendship Day. So happy Friendship Day to all of you, all the friends of mine around the world, loving me, loving Balveer equally, and supporting us in so many years, watching my each and every video, following me truly. So thank you so much, and everyone who's wishing happy Friendship Day, my heartily wishes to all of you from me, from D3 Parivar, for a very, very happy Friendship Day. Right? Great. So it has been long since I was live on either of my any social media accounts. So I thought I should be again here. And क्या था बात किए हुए तो कुछ बातें की जाए आपसे, आपके कुछ सवालों के जवाब दिए जाए, and let's have some chit chat, some talks for a while, right? So yes, it's all wonderful here. And just a second. Okay, mom said कि look का कुछ problem है. She's watching it live too. Hi mom, hi dad. Okay, yeah. So yes, first of all, many of the questions कि Balveer Returns का वापस आएगा, when will the episode number 355 will come, season 3 आएगा कि नहीं, and many of the questions. So I must say that of course we ended it abruptly without any storyline to be coming to end, and of course we had a wonderful track going on of Carl and Happy and other 5 to 6 shekels in the show. So yes, it was going great, and we had huge support from all of you in that. So yes, it was quite surprising for all of us, but as it said, let's wait, hope for the best, and we will come we will come back soon. And we want everything to be safe, everyone to be safe on the set. So we cannot change the storyline with every time this thing's coming in between. So yes, we are waiting for the things to go better, and as it was before this COVID thing, and when it will be, we will be back with a bang. Maybe hope so. So yes, all of your wishes are always here, always with us. So hope for the best. Yep. Till then, I am also watching some of my episodes. I haven't seen many of the fights. I have never seen on social media. So on Sony Live. So yes, it was fun watching yourself on Sony Live and watching the episodes. So quite different while we shoot, and when we see the episodes, it's whole differently with the VFX, with the sound effects. So yes, I also miss all that things, but hope all things go to back as it was normal, right? Yes, so it's birthday of Feza. She commented here. Okay, happy birthday, Feza. Hi, hi, hello everyone. Just a second, I think comment. Yep. हेलो वंदना, हाय प्रीतिका, आपको भी फ्रेंडशिप डे की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. Yes, thank you so much, Tim underscore Balvi returns. Thank you so much. मेरी मम्मी कहाँ है? मेरी मम्मी है यहीं पे. They are watching live in another room, and I am live from my room. So this is my room, and quite not, you won't be able to see so much of it. But here are some of my friends also. I have always them with me forever, and Puss in the Boots. That's Batman. There's Dice. There's Jerry too, and Iron Man on the top, the McDonald's guy, and the penguins of the Madagascar, Bumblebee, and everyone. So that's also a frame from a fan when I went to Indonesia. So quite of things decorated in my room, and all are my collectibles since last around 10 to 15 years. So they're quite old, but I love to have them and see them every day. Yep. Yep. Sorry, got some. Yeah. Just a second. Let me try something else here. Yep. Flip it around. Oh, oops. Yep. I think this is better. Now I have the look in the camera too and the comments here. Okay, great. मेरे हेडफोन्स बहुत अच्छे हैं मेरे जैसे. अरे वाह, मेरे हेडफोन्स शायद मुझसे भी अच्छे हैं. गुड. एक्चुअली मेरे पापा के हैं, मैंने आज उधार पे लिए हैं. यस. थैंक यू दिवाकर. Thank you so much for your love, man. Thank you. Hi, Mayur. My upcoming project. So, yes, all of you must be waiting to talk about it, to know about it. And yes, there are quite of some projects going on, some talks going on. So, hope they will be announced soon. And till then, I am here with you on my social media, so we can connect with each other. Anything you want to talk about or know about. So, yes, that would be best. Gautam Kumar, what are you doing now? I am talking to all of you, my all the friends around the world on the special day of Friendship Day, right? So, Kamalika Das, when you will visit Kolkata. So, yeah, and I've never got the chance to be on the eastern part of India. Yeah, not ahead than Madhya Pradesh. I have visited, or Uttar Pradesh. So, yes, I want to visit it once. We may plan a car trip to there, a month-long car trip. So, let's see what God has planned for us. गौरव आता इज आस्किंग, भाई ये एक्टर लोग कभी बात क्यों नहीं करते हमसे? नहीं, हम तो करते हैं भाई. नहीं, every actor has its own way of connecting with his own fame, his own friends around the world. So like I, I connect with you in the most possible ways I can. I reply most of my DMs and most of my fans on Instagram. So yes, it's interesting for me because in earlier days when there were no social media or no internet, people were not able to connect and they had to go for events or take tickets to watch their favorite stars or meet them or even talk to them. So it was quite complicated then. But today we have this wonderful medium. See, like around 1800 people are watching me live right now, and that's great because they are connected with me, they are some talking with me, they are commenting with me, they're learning something new. So yes, it's a quite wonderful media of interaction, and I like to use it the way I can the most, right? Okay, so any questions all of you want to ask me, and anything related to Friendship Day or something related to me, my family, my studies, and as I there's no update about the show more than I said to you all of you. So yes, let's wait what the makers are thinking about it. Hope it will be back soon, right? काजल जी, आपने एक चीज़ संभाल के रखी है पिछले 9 सालों से रिलेटेड टू मी. सो yes, of course, I will love to say it once for sure. Okay, how to transfer money from Nepal to D3 Caring Social Club. So of course, we have an NGO working 24 by 7 here in Pune currently and some of the cities around India. So we are slowly increasing its scope. We want the volunteers from around the nation, from around India, to join us to make this a huge thing because there's nothing better than serving others. So yes, we have started this last year in 2020, and after the first COVID lockdown, we thought that this is the need of the time. So yes, D3 Caring Social Club, from our D3 Parivar, and we have a wonderful team who manages all the things, Swapnil Bhai and all the people who work really hard for this. And so yes, it's the really hard work, and I want all of you to support it from any city you are. You can just have a look on the website of D3 Caring Social Club, and you can get all the details from there. You can connect with us. You can also share your donations or also work as a volunteer in your own city. Just you must have a group of few friends who are willing to work every evening or afternoon whenever you are free. Just at your own time, you can work for this NGO and make a difference in your society. So yes, we would be happy to assist you in that, and just have a visit on our website, the3caringsocialclub.com. So it's there. Okay, great. Hope you all will join soon, and there's also many of the Google Pay links or the account transfer details on the website where you can transfer the money online to for the donations of the NGO, right? Okay. What is your favorite K-pop? I don't listen to K-pop. Sorry, many of the people ask me, but I am not into the Korean things. Hi, AK. Thank you so much. You are a CA student. All the best for your future, dear. Great. Okay. So just a second. Quite, I have to hold it for long. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, I had some issues with the phone, and it's fine now. Yep. लेट बट ज्वाइन कर लिया. अरे भाई, थैंक यू. स्वागत है आपका. नमस्कार. Thank you from Nepal, Urmila. Thank you so much. Okay, so yes, my best friend Vandana Singh has asked, and many of the people asked me that who's my best friend. So of course, all of you know that my parents, and there's no one bigger than that in my life. They are really my best friends, and I talk to them about each and everything, each and every confusion in my mind, or some things I want to do, or like the realization things of the time. And so yes, all the things I feel I share with them, with my mom, with my dad, and they are the best friends I got in my life. Quite kind of lucky, because getting your best friends in your parents is the best thing, right? Yes. So, and yes, no, one more thing is there, which is my best friend. He's just sitting beside me. You want to meet my best friend? If you all want to meet, I will make you meet him. Okay. So comment me if you want to meet him. Say yes. Okay. Hi, Fai from Kerala. Hello. Whom do you like the most, Debu, Dev, or Happy? Um, Kind of confusing one, but all of them were different characters. Happy was a joyous man, a jolly man. Debu was kind of dumb and the studying kind of nerd kind of boy. And Dev is as he is always. So all of them were great in the show, especially. And it was quite fun for me because the name of the character was kept Dave and then Debu. So kind related to me in real life also. And it felt great to play yourself on the television. Yeah, I must add something behind. Yeah, much better. I got a small minion here too. हिंदी में बात करो, ठीक है किशोर जी. Well, there are many of the fans from Indonesia, and they might not be able to convey or talk in Indonesian. See, there is Mesa Vidya from Indonesia. Hi. So yes, I want everyone to connect here. थैंक यू, आपने मुझे अपना भाई माना, और मैं तो आप सभी को अपना दिल से भाई मानता हूँ, दोस्त मानता हूँ, क्योंकि योर लव इज़ वॉट keeps me going always and working hard for what I want. So thank you for that. So yes, anyone want to meet my friend who is just sitting here beside me? If you want to meet, then comment yes. Okay. Yes, thank you. 1.1 million followers on Instagram, and that's a huge thing for me. And whatever it is, the number really not matters, but what matters is the people who follow me are truly following me, and they are learning from me. They are truly understanding what I thought, what my ideology is, what my character is for this planet and for this country, what I am doing, what I want to do. So they are understanding it and they are supporting me. So yes, that's the best thing. And so I'm just not into numbers, but yes, thank you so much for the wishes. And however it may, how many it may be, I'm always loving them, and they are my best friends. Yeah. Love from Pakistan. Thank you. I'm Six Crafts. I cannot see your name, but thank you so much. Yeah. Yes, yes. Daily vlog. अरे बाप रे, daily vlog. मुश्किल है भाई. I will try my best. I will try as much as I can, but I'm also getting a huge support on my YouTube channel from all of you. Just few videos, and all of them are interesting, and you people are loving it a lot. Some of my written poems, shairis, and some of my vlogs of my Singapore trip. And yeah, soon I just wanted to update all of you. I will be uploading my, yeah, as you know that I went to Statue of Unity just 2-3 days back. So yes, I would be uploading a vlog for that. Some beautiful pictures I took there. I'm kind more of a photographer, so it would be my clicks, more of me in the clicks. So yes, it would be fun, and I want all of you to watch it, and then we'll talk about it again for sure. Thank you from Indonesia, Balvir Indonesia. Thank you so much. Hi, Vishal Meher from London. Thank you so much. Hello, Icon Chandraish. Hi, Alisa from Ahmedabad. Yes, I am in Ahmedabad too. Hello. Maybe waving at you somewhere. There's a beautiful sunset going on there, and here we are talking on the eve of 1st August, the Friendship Day. Yeah, there may be morning in some of the parts of the world. Morning, have good morning to the Americans, and good afternoon to the people in Europe and Africa. So, yeah. Um, Thank you from Kanpur. Thank you so much. आपका 12th क्लास कब का? बहुत टाइम हो गया, कोरोना से पहले हम निकल लिए 12th में से. So I did my 12th with science stream, and yes, it was tough, but it was interesting, experience worth having a lifetime for, and I'm glad I did science. So yes, I did my 12th science in 2018, I think. Yeah. Indian girl, when you come Gujarat? So I'm currently in Gujarat. Yeah. Thank you from Ulhasnagar. Thank you so much. Yes, we are meeting Spawn Gamer SIT. We are meeting online. We cannot meet now because it's COVID. I'm missing the events we had, and also we had many of the press impressions, and also some of the events where we went to meet people in different fashion shows or somewhere. Like last year, we went to some parts of Gujarat during Navratri, and it was great. Just before the COVID started, so it was a memorable time, and I want that time to come back to interact with you personally, to meet all of you, to have clicks with all of you, and feeling blessed. So yes, I want to get things to back to normal. Yep. What is my favorite subject? So kind of some of my favorite subjects I'm currently studying. I am in last year political science. So yes, that's what's going on right now, and that's my favorite subject. Raj Shastra, as said in Hindi, and political science. Barrister Gupta, meeting you after so long. So happy. Same here. Thank you so much. Do you know BTS? I know behind the scenes thing. I don't know any other BTS if it's any there. Okay. Love from Assam. Thank you, Danjit Moran. Thank you. Wonderful state, Assam. Yes. Mm. Oh. Hi, Kaya. दिल से बुलाया बालवीर लाइव आया. Yes, दिल से बुलाया बालवीर लाइव आया. That's a great line. Yeah. Thank you. Hi. Balveer season 3 कब आएगा? We brought season 3, man. Maybe it was Balveer Return season 2, so it was kind of season 3, but we brought it, and there was some glitches around the world due to COVID, and so we had to stop it for a while. So let's hope. Mariam Hussain, tell about your experience in Chandrasekhar Azad. So yes, it's around 4 years since I portrayed the character of the freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad, and it was just amazing to play that character, kind of feeling which I had, and just so much affection and love I had for that character, and the sense of what they did for the independence of our nation is realized when you portray such characters. So I'm blessed I got the chance, and it didn't got too much recognition around the world, and I know it was a really great show, one of the best shows on Indian television, but due to some reasons it was not quite publicized. So yeah, but there are some of the episodes on Disney Hotstar, so go there, search for Chandrasekhar, and watch from the episodes number, I think somewhere from 49 to 58 would be mine, and we shooted a lot, but some of the scenes were not telecasted at all, and it had some problems. So that's a production thing, but yes, here we are with the best of the episodes I did. So it was great working for the with the team, and it was a wonderful team, international team. So yeah, it was fun working with, and quite of experience for me. Yes, D3 Parivar is best. D3 Parivar is best. Rock on. Aku cinta Indonesia. Yes, Vadodara. Vadodara. Yeah, I quite visit it mostly when I'm traveling by car to Mumbai sometimes. So yes, that comes on the way. But I just went to Statue of Unity, so I lived for a day in Vadodara, and it was fun. Wonderful city. Some of my relatives live there too. So kind, great. Love from Lakshadweep. Hello from Lakshadweep. Wonderful state, union territory. I mean, so yes, it's a wonderful place, and I want to visit it once. We'll meet for sure, brother. Yep. राजस्थान कब आएंगे? राजस्थान तो हमारा पड़ोसी देश है, आएंगे। बहुत बार आए हैं हम। उदयपुर आते हैं, उदयपुर से एकलिंग जी महाराज के दर्शन करने आते हैं। वहाँ से श्रीनाथ जी भी गए हैं। एंड आई वेंट टिल जयपुर एंड आई वेंट टू जैसलमेर टू। So it's kind of I've been to Rajasthan sometimes, and so it's great place, quite of very royal place. So yes. You want to meet my best friend? Who's that? Who's that? Just a second. Swati Suman said she wants to meet my best friend. So get ready. Yeah, I should just zoom out a little so he will get space. So yes, let's meet my best friend. Okay. And here it is. My bestest friend. My Sarigama Karma. So it is which I got on my birthday a few years back, and hopefully it's still working after falling for a few times. But whenever I listen to it, it is what lightens me and makes me happy all the time. And it's always wonderful to have such a wonderful companion with you all the time. So here I have Saregama Karwa beside me, with me, always on my left, and I just keep it on for sometimes for the whole night and listening to some of the great ghazals and some of the greatest retro songs of our Bollywood, and around 5,000 songs in it. So it's great, and thank you for being my best friend. Happy Friendship Day. It's also saying Happy Friendship Day, my brother. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hi, Avni from Indore. Yes, I went to Indore once, in Indore Public School, I think, and I went there for a fest or something, so it was fun. Yep. As such a cute best friend. Thank you. He's cute and quite understanding too. ज़्यादा मगजमारी नहीं है, समझता है हर बात, and quite comfortable with me also. So yeah, it's good. You're looking nice. Thank you so much. I'm looking nice. Maybe with these headphones or something like that. Yeah. I'm wearing a jacket, but you can't see it. So thank you. Siddharth Nigam is a friend, of course, man. We all are our wonderful friends, and everyone like Siddharth, Abhishek, and more of friends. We are like brothers. So everyone in our group, Ashnur, and having Vaishnavi, Chinky Minky, Vishal, all of them are great friends, and we share most once or twice in a year. We meet for sure, and we talk about a lot. We never talk about acting things or the show things like what's going with this show, what's going with this show. We are mostly about our childhood life, and we talk about what our experiences have been on different sets. And so yes, we are really good friends. Yep. Aditya Shahi, do you really help people? Of course, like helping people means psychologically, and sometimes we help with them financially. Like we have an NGO working for it, so V3 Caring Social Club, and we are trying hard as much as we can. We can reach to the most of the peoples we can, so we try our best. So yes, we are working hard and we are trying to help as much as we can. Let's hope Hi Hiroshi from Sri Lanka. Hello. Muhammad Shaman from Saudi Arabia. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Hello from Faridabad. Yes, so anything you want to ask me on this special friendship day, around half an hour since we are talking, and let's make it interactive. Anything you want to ask? I quite got some of my other friends too here, so here he is. Hello. Hi. And some of the else too who are always with me here. Here's a minion. Banana. Thank you. Hmm. And here are the friends. We have some of them. Yep. Hello Ashutosh. बच्चे हो क्या? अरे हम तो बचपन से ही बच्चे हैं, बड़े हो ही नहीं. You know, the kid inside you always must be there. So people say that you must be mature or you must be big after the teenage ends, but that's kind of wrong. You know, like of course you should be mature and understanding things, but there must be a kid inside you who's always alive. So when you come back to home, you're not coming back with all the things around going in the world. You come to your family back. So for coming back to family, you must need to love your parents. You must need the child inside you always alive. So I keep these things always with me, and from quite a few years I have them. So yes, they love me a lot, and I love them too. What happened to Balvi? Nothing happened to Balvi. Balvi तो है, आएगा जल्दी आएगा. Hope so. थैंक यू फ्रॉम ओडिशा. कौन सी कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? कॉलेज मैं कौन सी कॉलेज में पढ़ता हूँ? I study in Gujarat University, and I'm in last year, sixth semester, political science. Yep, great. आपसे बात करने के लिए तो दिन भी कम पड़ जाएगा. ओहो वाह वाह, थैंक यू. But yes, it's great interacting with you. It really feels great to have you all online here. So anything you want to talk about, we can. Anything you want to ask. Sir, please say my name, Atharva Kaushal. Hello, Atharva. How are you? Please on your super chat. How to on that? I never knew about this thing. So I don't know how the super chat things work. But next time I come live, I want to know what's this super chat and super live or something. Super stickers are there something like that. So I will work on that and have that have that next time. Yep. I'm pure veg man. Sunil Gupta ji. Yes, I'm pure veg. Um, quite. Gujarati people, so I'm quite pure veg. Yep. Hmm. Love from Bihar. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're born with Sharmili Raj. Okay, so since 2012 we have been working together, and of course it was pleasure to have her on the sets all the time, and having her as my mother in the show. You know that some bonds are made naturally. So from the first day we shared that bond, and we never needed to rehearse about that things, but it came naturally on camera कि कैसे एक माँ बेटे का बॉन्ड आप टेलीविजन पे दिखा सकते हैं. So Balpari and Balveer, that bond was created automatically. And thank you Sharmili Didi for all the love she has given me since last 9 years. We are doing Balveer, and she has been a wonderful support to me. She has taught me many of the things, and some of the scenes with her are most memorable for me, and of course quite emotional for me too. So yes, it was great working with her. Hello, Lalit Chaudhary from Chennai. Okay. Hello. बचपन से मेरा फैन हूँ देव भैया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सुवायु. बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे. Quite trending right now. Many of the reels and all that. Yeah. Uttarakhand. Yes, yes. I've traveled to Uttarakhand quite of times, and by car I went to Manali, Shimla, and had a wonderful trip around. I never knew about vlog things, so I never made that one in 2015, 16 around. But yes, it was great then, and I want to visit it again soon. Noor Fatima, thank you so much. Thank you from Pakistan. Vinajun from Haryana. Please show us your Iron Man. You want to see Iron Man? Okay. So here is white in a landing position. It's a piggy bank actually. So I save my money with Iron Man. My savings bank. Ramin Ansari, oh sorry, I may not be have been able to reply you on Instagram. I quite try as much as I can. So please message me. I will look for you in the requests and we will talk. Man, thank you. Thank you, Swati from Nepal. Thank you. Bhai, Kashmir kab aoge? Yes, I want to visit it. The paradise on earth. So yes, I visited with my family on a car trip in 2018. From Gujarat to Leh Ladakh, we went by car for a month-long trip. So it was a wonderful, memorable one. So yes, I will visit again. Of course, sure, why not? What will be my next project? So yes, it's kind of surprise for all of you, kind of exciting for me too, and we are working on it right now. Many of the things going on. So yes, we would be back with a wonderful project and something I haven't done in past few years. So that would be the thing, and you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will love it. Whom you love the most except your parents? Myself. I love myself. I love myself. Do I like drawing? So of course I like drawing. I've been till state level in drawing competitions. Yes, and when I was in school, so I gave intermediate still this drawing competitions, and I participated in it. I have some of the best drawings I did in my school time. Somewhere I will upload it when I will find them and click the pictures. Sure. भैया जी अयोध्या आओ. Yes, एक बार आएंगे. श्योर, ज़रूर अवश्य आएंगे. BTS is an K-pop band, so I'm sorry, I'm not quite updated with this BTS things, and most of the girls love it, but I am not quite fond of it. So yes. કેમ છો? એકદમ મજામાં છીએ ભરતભાઈ. All good. 11th में कौन सा? So 11th I had science. 11th science I did, and 12th science I did. Yes. Yep. Quite fast the comments go and it's hard to read sometimes. Favorite web series कौन सी? Hollywood and Bollywood में. So talking about Bollywood, it's not Bollywood, of course, it's Hindi web series. So it comes to Family Man, the season 1 and season 2, both of them, and quite interesting, lot of things. You should watch it. So Family Man is one of my favorite web series I ever watched. And talking about the English web series part, and there's a quite unpopular show, not much famous in India or in any part of the world, and quite not in US also, but the show was named God Friended Me. And in that, a person is friended by a god on Facebook, through which he helps different people, unknown people, suddenly, and he is quite it shows how we are all connected. So this show is quite a favorite show of mine. If you want to watch it, it's on Amazon Prime. You can watch it someday. The God Friended Me. Yep. who is my favorite actor. Okay, so that's kind of a lot of times I answered it, but yes, Amitabh Bachchan ji, of course, kind my inspiration, and the dedication for work, which is what I love he has. And second is Ajit Kumar ji, and he just turned 50 on 1st of May. His birthday just comes one day before my mom's birthday, so yes, I'm quite fond of him. All of his films, I've watched his old films like someone from the 90s, and quite Tamil films without subtitles. So yes, they are really great films, and I want to watch it someday. Who is your favorite gamer? I'm not into gaming a lot. I just play this cricket sometimes, World Cricket Championship or something like that. But I'm not of in that too much. I'm student of Hiramani. Hello, Parmesh. Hi. Great to connect with you. All the best for your future from Hiramani. Yeah. मेरा बर्थडे डेट कौन सा है? मेरा बर्थडे डेट ओके मेरा बर्थडे डेट है 28 नवंबर. ओके. My favorite Bhojpuri actor? That's a unique question, and yes, some of you might not know, but जब मैं 6-7 साल का था, I worked in a Bhojpuri film named Bake Bihari MLA with Ravi Kishan ji, and heroine thi Rambha ji. So yes, I portrayed that. I played part in that film. So most of you people don't know about it. So find it. I don't know if it is on there on YouTube. So search for it. Let me know if you find out. Do you have a GF? What's a GF? I don't have GF. I have too many BFFs, best friend forever. Yeah. Love from Odisha. Thank you. 27 November. Oh, just one day before me. Great. Hi Kripa. सिंगापुर कब आओगे? अरे भाई, जस्ट हम सिंगापुर से निकले और कोरोना ऐसा स्टार्ट हुआ इंडिया में, वरना फंस जाते हम सिंगापुर में, सच कह रहे हैं. सो yes, I just like we came back on 9th Feb to India, and from around 10th Feb there was the first case of COVID in India. So yes, we are hopefully, and also the Singapore was started spreading. We saw the people wearing mask, and we are like, why these people are wearing mask? And the cab driver said that there's a virus going on around here, and we're like, okay. So Singapore was the first place where we saw people with masks, and since then we are watching everyone with masks around. Sometimes it's hard to recognize people. पता नहीं चलता कौन है. And even if you remember, till you don't know the face, you never feel like that you met that person again. So yes, so whenever you meet, just stay safe and take care of all of you. Have you ever visited Nepal? No, I want to visit it once, man. Thank you. I want to visit it once. My friends have been quite well to that place to climb Mount Everest, Mount Lhotse. So I want to visit it once too. Yep. Hello, Nivedita from Kerala. Hi. Favorite Punjabi singer, Sufi singer, Marathi singer. Okay, too many questions all together. Punjabi singer, I think. I don't have names, but I like rappers from Punjab, and they are quite good at rapping some meaningful raps and all that. Talking about Marathi singers, the Marathi is a very sweet language. I learned it with my directors on the set and my crew on the set. So I think it's a very sweet language. And all of the songs in Marathi are very well sung, or quite well, composed, and very much heart touching. So all of them are really nice to treat to listen to them. Hi from Uttar Pradesh. Hello. Favorite cricketer? Always an MSDN. I miss watching him, and since India is going for a test series in England, and there's a Sri Lanka series which was going on 2 days back, so kind of missed him. But there's someone on the door. This headphones, kind of hurt after some time. Hi Naresh, Hiramandi say hello. Too many Hiramandi people watching me live right now, I think. Yep. I'm straight, or just a second, this thing is quite complicated. I think it's better now. Who is my favorite Gujarati actor? So yes, I did some of the regional films in uh, when I was a child, and around 14 to 15 Gujarati films I did, and with some of the superstars of Gujarat, and all of them are really great. Vikram Bhai, Hiren sir, and like we missed some of them too. And when I met, I was kind of very small child when I met Naresh sir and Mahesh sir, but there's a memory I got from for them, and we lost them just few months back. So it was heart touching for me, and an end of an era in Gujarati film industry. But yes, I kind of had wonderful time here in Gujarat. What is my favorite food? All the things that my mom make is my favorite, but the most favorite is Gujarati thali. The thali in which you have everything. So yeah, it's kind great one. The sun's down, right? I think also there's a match going on between. I think it must have ended or it's going on. I don't know. India versus the men's hockey quarterfinals. Yeah, in Olympics. Are you people watching Olympics or not? Please do watch, because like equally we watch cricket, we must watch Olympics. It's I just uh, saw it for the first time, like live actions and all that. Watching badminton games of PV Sindhu, or shooting games, or archery by Atanu Das and Deepika Kumari, boxing games of Mary Kom, and all the boxes we get. So it's kind very interesting to watch Olympics live, and also Karampreet Kaur is competing tomorrow, 2nd August at 4:30 p.m. in discus throw. So do watch. It's first time that an Indian has reached to the finals of athletics, and with such a wonderful number. So best wishes with her from me and from all of you. Yep, great. I don't know, but I really like about this things, like to motivate the people who are representing our nation internationally, and they are working really hard to make all of us proud about our country. So we should support them. My close friends. So yes, I got many of my friends from my college, Nidhi, Hina, Karishma, and all the people who helped a lot in with me with my studies, and they have been really good friends of me since last few years. All of my school friends, Darshan, Nitiksha, Deep, Divyansh, and many of them. Sorry if I forget someone's name. Don't scold me, okay? Um, yes, Priyanshi. Yes, so all of them are really good friends, and most of them are abroad right now, studying somewhere in Canada, US, some in Europe. But it's great connecting with them, since they have been, when I was a child, they have been with me. I've clicks with them. I've performed with them in annual functions. We had wonderful dance songs, and I have that videos of us dancing. So that's great. That's really great. My phone version. So my phone, I got Google Pixel 2 XL, and this is my mom's phone I'm using right now to go live, um, because I don't have much battery. So yes, this is a better option. Yep. Arjun Meda from Dahod. Thank you so much. Kem છો મજામાં? Real ID in Facebook, it's dev.joshi.official.page on Facebook, and it's also the Facebook page original is DJ281100. You can just write it, it's verified, so you can find it easily, man. Yep. Is your new project for Sony Sabna? Kind of. Let's see. I'm not into any shows right now, but let's see what's in the future. What you want to become in the future. So I quite got some of the plans for me, and quite interested for all of them. Let's see where the road takes me. And there are crossroads. There was a show named Zindagi Ke Crossroads. So you have to select which path you want to go. So this is the path I have to select. So let's think and select wisely. Hello. Hi, Hare Krishnan KC. Hi, Shivangi. Yes, I am Gujarati. Yep. हेलो भैया, कुछ तो बोलो. अरे इतना तो बोले जा रहे हैं हम. इतना बोले जा रहे हैं, हमारा मुंह तो क्या. Have you met Samiksha? Of course. Some of you people must be knowing, may not be knowing too, that Samiksha Sood was part of Balveer season 1 as Dari Dari Pari. So we had her on the sets, and we had quite fun of the time. She was not, making this reels and TikTok at that time. So she worked with us. She was quite learning all the things, and I know her since then, and we are quite familiar to each other. So yes, of course I know her. बालवी रिटर्न्स का देखिए, अब ये वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में हम जब ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे रखेंगे तो उसके स्टार्टिंग में हम बताए हैं कि बालवी रिटर्न्स कब आएगा, का होगा उसका, और का होने वाला है बालवी रिटर्न्स में आगे, और हमने जो स्टोरी अब्रप्टली एंड की है उसका हम क्या करेंगे. तो आप देखिएगा वो एक बार फिर से, जब ये लाइव ख़त्म हो जाए तो वीडियो पहले से ज़रूर देखिएगा. हैं bond with Anahita. Of course, it's Friendship Day today, and she is really good friend of mine. So we had a wonderful times on the set of Balveer. We quite had fun. I was quite sometimes annoying to her, and we just share a great bond. So yes. It was wonderful working with her, and we are quite connected, mostly messaging each other every day to share daily affairs and know about everything. So it's great connecting with her, and she's a really good friend of mine. Yeah. दिल टूट जाएगा फ्रेंडशिप देखी दे. अरे ऐसे नहीं होने देंगे. फेवरेट सॉन्ग और सिंगर कौन सा है, अभी अभी बताते हैं. हमारा फेवरेट सॉन्ग कौन सा है, कौन सी लैंग्वेज. हिंदी में हम नमो नमो सुनते हैं, जो केदारनाथ फिल्म का सॉन्ग है, और काफ़ी हर मॉर्निंग वो सुनते हैं. और बात करें अलग लैंग्वेज में तो तमिल सॉन्ग्स काफ़ी सुनते हैं, और गुजराती सॉन्ग्स सुनते हैं. आई एम नॉट इन टू हॉलीवुड एंड दैट, बट yes, I'm Indian classical music, ghazals, I quite like lot of them. So yes. अभी आप कहाँ हो? अभी हम यूट्यूब पर लाइव है. आई एम सेड मैं इतना हंस रहा हूँ, गाल दुख गए मेरे. आई एम नॉट एट ऑल सैड. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, and thank you so much, and especially happy today connecting with you all. Yes, so it has been 55 minutes since we are talking with each other, and it would be right. It's been around 7 o'clock, right? Yeah, it's 7:03. Great one. Mm, it's Sunday, and some of you must have some family plans also. Also, many of the reality shows going to come on television today. So, yes, it's Sunday. Have a wonderful day and family time ahead. Enjoy, and starting from tomorrow is a new week. It's new month also. So all the best for the upcoming month, the days. So have a wonderful week ahead. Best wishes from me, and also as 15th August is coming, our Independence Day. Wishing you all a very happy Independence month and Independence Day in advance. Have a wonderful time ahead. Yep. So thank you for your compliments. बेब्लेड और पोकेमॉन जैसे एनिमेज देखते हैं आप. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच पोकेमॉन व्हेन आई वाज किड, नॉट since quite few times. So yes, anything you want last know about me or talk about anything, just comment and I will try to reply it. Hi Bansi, don't be sad, okay, smile. Okay, my favorite Malayalam actor, okay, so that would be Mohanlal sir, and I'm quite fond of him. The aura he has, the style he has. The Janta Garage film, yes, I remember Janta Garage. He has a wonderful style in that and a quite good film. So do watch films from South India. They have very good message, and they share a great bond. They show us the true bond of family. Do watch it. Yep. Yes, 14th August is also coming for the Pakistan's Independence Day. Best wishes to all of you in the Pakistan too, and all the best to all of you then. होम टूर वीडियो क्यों नहीं, अपने ही घर में टूर करें हम, वाह, और उसका वीडियो बना के डालें, ये क्या बात हुई. आपका घर, हमारा घर, घर घर होता है, ऐसा हो ऐसा हो. So it's home, you know, home is kind of very personal thing. So yeah. Hello Liji Shrishti, hello Jawad, show stuff. Yes, so it's kind of abruptly ended, but do watch the first part of this live session and you will know about what's happening with the show ahead. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. So it was quite fun to talk with all of you today, quite interactive. Thank you so much, all of you, for all the love and support you have shown to us, to D3 Parivar, and we share a wonderful bond with each other. Thank you for truly following me, truly understanding what I am doing, what I want to do, and for supporting me in each and every decision of mine. So, thank you. You have been a great inspiration for me, all of you, and many of the wonderful projects coming soon. My vlog for Statue of Unity coming soon. We are gonna have fun. Take care. Love you all, and it's about to be over since we talked. So let's celebrate it. Enjoy. Happy Friendship Day once again. Hope we will meet soon and टेक केयर. यस, जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा बालवीर का नाम रहेगा. ऑफ कोर्स बालवीर कैन नेवर एंड. बालवीर is a feeling. It's a hope that we all have in our hearts, in our minds. So the show may end or show may come or not come, but what's always there is the feeling of Balveer you have inside you, I have inside me. That will be always with us. So let's keep it alive. Let's keep the spirit of Balveer alive. Okay. Take care. Love you all and thank you. Namaskar.